Hello, everybody. Long story short, yes, you read the thumbnail. That is exactly what I'm doing. Yes, of course, a lot of the people think that हम dresses बनाएंगे और आगे जाके हमारे बच्चे पहनेंगे. But that's not what I want. I would give them something different, but this is my plan that when I got them made as well, and when I bought one of it, I planned कि क्यों ना इनको sell भी कर दें, and of course, after getting so many requests as well, since my beautiful outfits were shared, बहुत लोगों ने कहा था that they want to buy it. So I'm gonna keep the mic a little bit closer so that you can hear me because there's a little noise. Okay, so let's talk about it. So I am going to sell all three outfits of mine, and there are different buyers in offline as well, markets as well. But I would like to tell in here so that if you guys are interested, let me know and DM me. I will tell you the prices and details of everything. But let me show you my dresses first. So this is my bridal outfit.
This is my Bharat dress. It is red, absolutely what I wanted, originally from a brand. So this is a replica, and I got it made from Anarkali Lahore. I went there, I showed them a picture, and this is what they have delivered, which is absolutely same, and I am obsessed. As you can see, इसके पूरे ही frog पे काम है from neck to toe. It is filled with work. It was so heavy, but super worth it. एंड देन देयर इज़ अ लहंगा एज़ वेल जिसके बॉटम पे काम है, दुपट्टे के सारे बहुत खूबसूरत काम है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अबाउट इट. इट इज़ सुपर प्रिटी. यू कैन सी ऑल द डिटेल्स. आई गॉट इट मेड राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. आई विल शेयर सम वीडियोज़ एज़ वेल. और ये बिल्कुल फ़िल्टर के बगैर की वीडियो है, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शेयर. It is absolutely without filter. You can see all the details here as well. The color in detail, the kadhai, everything. And I'll share more details as well. So this is when they were making it, and you can see I wanted a little picture before they start working of threads and beads and everything, and this is when they were done. And they shared a detailed video from ghera to frock, the patches, the panels you can call them. So they were like probably 8 panels in the back side and then 6 in the front, which were cut open, so 3 and 3 each, or they were 4 and 4 probably, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so 8 in the back and 8 front, 4 and 4 as well. So yeah, 4 at one side, 4 at the other side, and then 8 in the back side. Dupatta you can see like with detail. This is back. इट्स प्रीटी आई नो, बट मैं वी के बारे में एंड मैं स्केप्टिकल थी, तो मैंने डोरी लगा रही थी जिसकी वजह से मेरी बैक शो ना हो, एंड इट हैपेंड. ये बाजू और एवरीथिंग इज सुपर 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 गुड, राइट?
Now you must be thinking that why did I started with bridal outfit? I mean, it should start with the mehndi one. My bridal outfit is one of my favorite. It was made by me. Of course, the original actually is from Hussein Lahiri, if I'm not wrong. या फिर पता नहीं मैं आपको नाम लिख दूंगी. But it was probably 9 lakh, if I'm not wrong. Then I got it made in half and little bit more than that actually because आप खुद इसका काम देख सकते हैं that it is so detailed, so good. तो हर चीज इतनी अच्छी है तो of course it's going to be little expensive. So if your budget is little higher, then you have to contact me. And if your dream of wedding dress is good, this is exactly what my dream was and is, to be very honest. I remember when I saw it, I was like, that's it. मुझे यही चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. And I went to the market, I bought and I found many good dresses, but मेरा दिल यहाँ पे stuck हो गया था, and I'm so obsessed with my look as well, which you can see. I loved it. So if anybody is interested, contact me. I will tell you all the details. Okay. Moving on, we have my Mendi dress. So it is by Nakshi, as you maybe know, and then let me tell you all the details.
And here is my mehndi outfit. It is the lehenga and choli. I wanted to have one क्योंकि मेरा बारात का भी डिफरेंट है, वलीम का भी डिफरेंट है, so I wanted to have lehenga choli one day. So it is beautiful by Nakshi. I got it ready made from there and I saw it. I was like, yeah, I want it. Beautiful it is.
Okay, I'm ready to sell this one as well. I love this. It is so good. बिल्कुल मेहंदी की तरह है और मेहंदी को सूट कर रहा था. I absolutely adored it. Although I think now कि मैं styling थोड़ी सी different कर सकती थी, but other than that I'm obsessed. On this dress, let me know. And lastly, my beautiful Walima dress. I got it very simple because after I wore this on Barat, I wanted something this type simple on my Walima to feel light and to feel comfortable. And I was completely comfortable, alhamdulillah. Let me show you my dress.
Here's a closer look of my walima, and it does have a, by the way, beautiful dupatta which I forgot, and my family was not able to get it to me on time, so I got this made quickly, and this is what we are working with.
Isn't it beautiful? I know. I loved it too. So I got it made. I saw a reference on social media and then I showed one of the designer and they said we can do it. And they did it. Exactly that. And I loved it. There was a little bit mistake with the fitting and stuff, but wo ammi ne fix kar di. And yeah, if you need any other details of this, let me know. And that's about it. I am selling all three dresses of mine. And if you need any details, if you need to buy them, if you want them, you will have to reach out to me on my Instagram, and also on this number you can reach out and you will have to contact me. I will tell you all the details from prices, from the dress and kapra detail, everything. Okay, so see you there and wait for the next videos. Allah Hafiz.